couple months ago when I first started this YouTube channel, one of the first videos that I made was how I lost $1,200 on a Flippa website, which you can check out right here. And what ended up happening was that video became one of the most popular videos on my channel to date, which was really surprising because I didn't think that one was going to take off as much as it has, but I'm glad that it did because that's actually the kind of video that I like making, and it's about a topic that I'm passionate about, which is niche websites. So if you're watching this and you don't know what a niche website is, go ahead and check that video out. But yeah, it's about niche websites, and anybody that's watching this probably knows what Flippa is already. So that video was about how I lost $1,200 on a Flippa website. And this video is going to be all about, would I buy another Flippa website? Let's get right into this. Would I buy another Flippa website? If you're asking me right now, I would probably say no. And the main reason why I probably wouldn't buy another Flippa website is basically because there are a lot of websites for sale on Flippa, and most of them, probably over 90% of those websites, are all scams. They're beginning websites that were built by some dude in Bangladesh or India or wherever, and they put this quick website together that probably took them no more than an hour to put together, and they just put some really filler content on there, very generic stuff, and then they do some promotions and things like that and make it look like it's making money or that it's getting a lot of traffic, but it's very vague and they don't reveal a lot of information, and basically it's a scam. And there are legitimate deals on Flippa, but what it comes down to is that if you want to find a legitimate deal on Flippa, you really have to know your shit about websites. You have to know what to look for as far as the traffic patterns and where the earnings are coming from, and make sure you know how to verify all that stuff. And the second thing is that if you really want to get something legitimate, it's probably going to cost you a lot more than just a couple $1,000. I mean, a legitimate website on Flippa is going to run you probably upwards of $15,000 or more. And that's a lot of money to spend on a website. So would I buy another Flippa website? The short answer is no. So instead of really taking my chances on Flippa, what I would do instead this time around is I would actually buy from this website. You may or may not have heard of this new site. It's called Human Proof Designs. And this is where I want you to check out. So this website, they sell different levels of affiliate websites that are already pre-made for you, and a lot of them are actually cheaper than most of the websites you'll find on Flippa. And one thing I love about this website is they offer a variety of niche sites for sale, and they offer them in different phases of development and content, as you can see here. And in case you really don't want to buy a niche site and you want to build one, this is an excellent resource for you to check out, because you can actually see the sites that they've built on here in most cases, and you can check out what niche they're in, and you can see the types of content they have on these websites, and that can give you a really big clue to what might be a profitable niche for you to get into if you want to get a niche website going, but you don't want to pay somebody else to develop it, and you want to build one from scratch because you know how and you're willing to put in the effort. This can be a great resource for ideas. I don't ever recommend you just copy what someone else is doing, because that's very lame and unoriginal and takes zero creativity. But if copying people is your thing, then whatever, go for it. And guys, just a quick disclaimer here, I am an affiliate for this website, so if you do purchase one of their sites or one of their courses, I will get a commission for it. But if I've introduced this to you and you've gotten some value out of this video, I would highly appreciate if you would use my affiliate link. It helps me out a lot and really encourages me to keep making more of these videos. This website is great too, because not only do they offer already pre-made niche websites for sale, they also offer different services. They have content services, as you can see here. They have SEO services. They have keyword research services, and they even have different courses for sale depending on what you're trying to accomplish online and your website. And this can be a very good resource for you. If you check out all of the things they have available here for you on this site, you're going to find that this is a legitimate company They're not like Flippa. Flippa is supposedly a legitimate company, but the big problem with Flippa is they're located in Australia and their customer service is abysmal. I contacted Flippa's customer support when I was having trouble with the seller of the website that I bought, and long story short, they didn't do anything to help me, and they pretty much just said it's your problem. So, you know, if you want to avoid that kind of situation, I highly also recommend you stay away from Flippa just because of that. You're pretty much on your own. It's like buying a dirt bike off of Craigslist from some dude in your neighborhood. Like, you just really don't know what you're gonna get, and there's no recourse in case something were to go wrong. So that's why I highly recommend Human Proof Designs. This is a professional company. They're based in the United States. They have customer support, and they actually build the sites themselves and stand behind their products. So if there's an issue that you're having or a question, you can reach out to them directly and they're going to be happy to help you. And that's exactly what you want to have when you're going to be buying a website from somewhere, because at the end of the day, you're going to run into some issues and you don't really know what's going to happen. And it's good to be able to fall back and ask questions when necessary. Since this video is all about buying another Flippa website, I'm not going to get into too much detail about all of the services and websites available on Human Proof Designs, but I will do some follow-up videos in the future showcasing more information about what exactly is being offered here on the website in more detail. And guys, if you're liking this channel and you're liking these videos so far, one of the things you can really do to support this channel is watch more of my videos. YouTube favors videos that get more watch time, meaning that there's somebody actually sitting there watching your video. They also reward creators that have a lot of engagement on their videos, which means you're hitting the like button, you're making a comment on the video, and you're watching the videos from start to finish. So if you want to support this channel, those are the things you can really do to help this channel succeed. Having a niche website and making money online is no small task. It's actually really a lot of hard work, and making money online has been one of the hardest things I've ever tried to do in my whole life as far as like a way to make money. But one of the things that keeps me so interested in this topic is that if you're able to make enough money online, you can truly be free. You can live anywhere in the world and you're able to bring in money every single month without being physically tied down to a location. So making money online is the shit. I really love making money online, and I know anybody out there who's watching this likes it too. If you guys enjoy hanging out with me like this, one thing you can do to hang out with me some more is to check out a few more of my videos right over here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.